Hello. Today is April 16th, and the bird of the day is the red-footed booby. Now, the red-footed booby is a rarer bird, so I will be reading from my big Sibley bird guide, not just the Eastern version. Here's what the red-footed booby looks like. We've got a lighter morph, but then also a darker morph. Sometimes the same species can have two different appearances. And this is what our little teenage booby looks like. The red-footed booby, Sula sula. The smallest booby, with slender bill. Juvenile always dark with all dark underwing. Adult light or dark, usually with dark tail in Pacific. Many Atlantic adults have white tail. White morph has dark secondaries, but white tertials. Dark secondaries, but white tertials, unlike masked booby. Red feet are obvious on the adult. The juvenile has dull orange feet. Its wing beats are deeper and bouncier than other boobies. Flight buoyant, with wings swept back. A very rare visitor from tropical oceans to warm ocean waters. Not recorded annually. Solitary at sea. Roosts in groups in trees. Forages mainly at night for small fish. Voice, generally silent away from breeding colony. Both sexes give guttural screeching or rattling squawks. Again, our smallest booby, the red-footed booby.